Good morning, everyone. My name is Anisha Rawat and I am from BBA Morning A. The topic of my presentation is Valuation of Inventory Control. Inventory valuation is the monetary amount associated with the goods in the inventory at the end of an accounting period. The valuation is based on the cost incurred to acquire the inventory and get ready for sale. What are inventories? Finished goods, work in progress, raw material. Objectives of inventory control are income determination, liquidity position, location of wastage, presentation of financial position. Inventory record system. There are two systems to record the inventories: periodic inventory system and perpetual inventory system. The format of perpetual inventory system has to be followed while keeping the record of inventory system. Methods of valuation of inventory: last in first out, first in first out, and weighted average methods. The first in first out method is used for the valuation of inventory. In most of the companies, this assumption closely matches the actual flow of goods and so is considered the most theoretically correct inventory valuation method. The last in first out method is used to place an accounting value on inventory. The weighted average method is used to assign the average cost of production to a product. Weighted average costing is commonly used in situations where inventory items are so intermingled. There are some illustrations. This is FIFO method, in which the first in will be issued first. LIFO method, last purchase will be first issued. And weighted average method, in which the cost will be averaged. This is the comparison between LIFO, FIFO and weighted average method. Thank you.